Are you playing from home or from... Whoa, we made it! Well, it's time for you to get to Do you feel that? I can sense something. A presence. What was that? Whoa. And where did the warden keystones go?
It is finally done. With the Warden Keystones destroyed, no one will ever be able to enter the Academy and fill their minds with knowledge. And without knowledge, they will not be able to resist our mind illusions.
Oh no, it's the Puppet Master! This is not good!
The less you learn, the stronger our mind illusions get. Let's see what you know.
Did you see that? A spell just got charged with a little energy. Each time your turn starts, all your spells get some energy. Once you have enough energy, you'll be able to use more powerful spells. You've got enough energy to cast an area spell.